Good afternoon, guys. Welcome to episode 38 of how we build a five-story building. We continue the work inside. As you can see, on some of the floors, we already sprayed the fireproofing material. It's here. Now we have to keep going with the fourth and fifth floor. And we already start with the framing, the partitions. So we start doing the layout, the framing, and we're going to start doing all the roof inside the walls. Here we can see the electricians doing the roof inside the wall in the second floor that we have already the framing done. So please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, the notification bell for more updates on how we build the five-story building. Thanks for watching.